Hey guys, welcome back. Breaks for the Kids here, formerly Griffith Guitars. Tonight we've got the 12-13 Classic Signatures. Tomorrow night, ending 6 p.m. Pacific, we've got 11-12 Limited. Also, right now we've got an 8-box case of 13-14 Dominion and an 8-box pre-sale case of 13-14 Prime. As always, all our stuff goes to charity. This month's to the food bank. So bear that in mind when you see the prices for our Buy It Now for our cases, that you're not just buying the cards, you're also helping out with the charities as well. A little bit of housekeeping. Last team won. Winnipeg Jets by Mark and Steph. Current time 7:34, 7:14 Pacific Standard Time. List of our winners. Well, serial number on this box. NE190906585. So good luck to everybody, and again, check out our limited box ending tomorrow night and get in on those case breaks. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Empty box. Six packs. There we go. Auto in every box. And base, base, base. First auto, Neil Broten. That's on-card auto for the Minnesota North Stars, going to the Dallas Stars, which is B. Corzo 77. Behind that, we have a retired numbers for the Washington Capitals of Dale Hunter, going to Jay Bailey 0122. Base, base, base. For the Montreal Canadiens, Doug Gilmour, inaugural inks. Card number 63 of 100. Montreal going to CMV 367. And behind that, we have a Guy Lafleur retired numbers for the Montreal Canadiens. And base, base, base. For the Hartford Whalers, going to the Carolina Hurricanes, we have Dave Tippett, is local Twiggy. And behind that, we have a retired numbers of Steve Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings, B. Corzo 77. And base, base, base. For the Minnesota North Stars, Neil Broten. Same auto we had earlier. Interesting. Going to Dallas Stars, B. Corzo 77. Behind that, we have a Larry Robinson retired number for the Montreal Canadiens, CMV 367. Never pulled the same auto for the same player out of the same box. Base, base, base. For the New York Rangers, Andy Bathgate. Very cool. You can see his signature is very staggered there. We all know why with that. That's LSD 3636. Behind that, we have a retired numbers of Gilbert Perreault. For the Buffalo Sabres, going to Sabres Stuffs 1970. Last pack. We have base, 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 Andy Bathgate for the New York Rangers. That is weird. LSD 3636. Behind that, Bernie Parent. Retired numbers for the Philadelphia Flyers. ML Stanley Cup 67. Don't really know what to say about that, guys. That's the same. That's just really weird. Well, it is what it is. I have no control about what goes in the box. So that's it for tonight. Again, check out Limited tomorrow. Somehow I doubt we'll have multiple of the same person in that. And check out the case breaks as well. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.